Parties are in agreement that there has been no family. Parties are in agreement to be named joint managing conservators of the child or children on this case, and the mother to designate the residents of the child or children on this case to Dallas and surrounding counties. Parties are in agreement and the state does not object to Medicaid being ordered. That is the extent of the agreement. I will call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
My name is Leslie Hernandez.
And Ms. Hernandez, can you state the name of the child or children in this case?
Aleya Evangeline Mendoza.
Okay, and how old is she?
She is 13, going on 14.
And do you currently live with Mr. Mendoza?
No,
Are you guys married?
we're still legally married, separated for some time now.
Okay, understood. And was the child born after the marriage?
No, no, yes, I'm sorry. Yes, she was
Okay,
born after
perfect.
we got married, sorry.
Okay. Did you hear the agreements I read into the record?
Yes, ma'am.
Are those portions still your agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go into the contested issues. This has calculated guideline child support based on information received independently and are asking child support to be set at $208. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
And we're asking that medical support be set at $68. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
And ma'am, remind me of the age of the child.
She is 13.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are requesting retroactive support, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and regarding retroactive support, the state has calculated and are asking for a judgment in the amount of $11,197. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we're asking that that be paid at $106 per month. Are you okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you're okay with the standard possession order for visitation?
Yes.
Okay, and you understand that under the standard possession visitation, you guys can do visitation as agreed to.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, during the last 4 years, has the father given you any type of support, financial support?
Not constant and not directly to me. Any money's giving has been given to my daughter.
Okay,
Yeah, and not a consistent, but I mean, he helps out when he can. Okay.
do you know what the total amount is?
Like I said, or like I told her earlier, I would say maybe about the total from here since we separated about 5K.
Okay, thank you. I pass this witness and I call the father. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Orlando Mendoza.
And sir, did you hear the agreements I read into the record?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, regarding those agreed portions, are they still accurate? Are those still your agreements?
Explain the question. Like,
Okay,
yes,
so
I want to understand fully before, you know what I mean?
yeah, that totally makes sense. Sir, has there been family violence?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so that was one of the things I said was an agreement. So is that still true?
Yes, there's no
Okay,
violence.
perfect. And you still are okay with being a joint managing conservator with the mother?
Yes.
Perfect. Do you have private insurance available for your child?
No.
No, so you're okay with the agreement I announced that Medicaid be ordered. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay, so far we're 4 for 4 or 3 for 3. So let's get into the contested issues. Sir, are you currently working?
2 days out of the week.
So that's a yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, do you have any other children?
I got a 5-year-old.
Okay, and do you understand that when we calculated our proposed child support amounts that we included a credit for that other child? Do you understand that, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And so we're asking for, since you don't have insurance, and we're asking my client, the state, to pay for the doctors, nurses, x-rays, medicine, all of that, for you to reimburse the state $68 per month. Is that okay?
$68 a month, that's okay.
Okay, perfect. So we have an agreement there. And sir, tell me why you're only working 2 days a week. What's going on?
I haven't been able to find no work. I'm in the construction field. I do waterproofing,
Okay.
and waterproofing, which involves a lot of caulking, caulking windows, waterproofing buildings, hot apply, stuff like that. And our work is really slow. So a couple of months back, I got put on standby. So they put me on standbys, saying they didn't have no work, and ever since then, they've never called me back. I haven't been working with them for the past 3 to 4 months. So
But
for
you've
the
had
past,
another job, right?
yes, called at Memphis. It's a night bar. So there, I was only working one day out of the week, or once every other week. So once they put me on standby, and I figured they weren't calling me back, I wouldn't go ahead and start picking up Fridays and Saturdays.
Right.
So those are the only 2 days I work out of the week.
And
And right now,
Memphis is a club in Texas, right?
it's in Addison, Texas. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. And so you understand that they report your wages to the state, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have a report that you make about $1,505 monthly. Do you understand
Yes.
that? And do you
Yes.
understand that that's how we came up with the child support amount, is we took the correct percentage allowed and we applied it to those gross monthly wages and any credits you got. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, and knowing that, um, are you in agreement with child support to be $208 per month?
Okay, so my thing is, I'm okay with.
Objection non-responsive.
Sustained. Please answer yes or no.
Okay, say repeat the question. Okay, I got confused.
Are
Yeah,
you
you
in
lost me on that.
are you in agreement, yes or no, with 208?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, now let's switch gears to retroactive child support. The child in this case is how old? Remind me.
13.
13.
13.
The
Mr.
father.
Mendoza is the
Oh,
witness.
sorry.
Okay.
13.
Okay, so in the last 4 years, what would you say? What's your testimony of financial support that you have provided?
Well, I don't have an exact number
Mm-hmm.
because everything back then was either giving cash, or I never saved receipts. I never thought of saving the receipts or nothing like that.
But you have a ballpark amount. You would know if it's $1 million, $1,000, $10. What would you say?
From the time me and her separated,
No, 4 years ago. So if you separated, for the last 4 years.
say, I don't know, about purchases and everything, I'd say about 3 grand a year, 2, 3 grand a year.
And so you understand that the mother actually gave you more credit than that. Um, it's about 5,000. Do you
But you
understand
said
that?
4 years.
Okay. Sir, what do you think retroactive child support should be?
I don't think I should pay it because of the fact that, so I thought me and her were in agreement, you know what I mean? I have a message from her telling me that she doesn't want nothing to change the way we have it, that she's okay with the way things are now. So I even have a message saying that.
Mhm.
And so to me, it's all like, so why would she tell me this in a message? And then once we come to court, she flips it on me. And to me, it's all like, okay, I don't mind paying the child support. I'll pay child support. That's my daughter. I'll pay. But all that retroactive to me is extra because of the fact that I think she's just trying to get it out of me. Because also, I have a message saying from my daughter saying that can I send money because of the fact that they're running low on money.
Objection,
So
hearsay.
Sustained.
Let me just ask a different question. And this will be my last question. Do you understand the amount that the state is proposing? The $11,197 for retroactive support includes a $5,000 credit for past support. Do you understand that?
Yes.
I pass a witness.
Say that again. That's what?
I pass a witness.
All right. Well, you got to support your child. I don't include payments paid to the child as payments. Those are gifts. So what we're really talking about is what you gave to the mother who's paying the bills where the child lives. Last I checked, 13-year-olds don't pay for rent or gas or electricity or water or any of those kind of bills. They don't pay for the food at the grocery store. And so one of the parents has to do that. So I don't expect that you would want me to give credit for any money you might have given the child because the child didn't pay any of those bills. Um, so for support, I mean, the child support's really low. I don't know why we don't have an agreement on that. Obviously, you got to get to work and work more than 2 days a week. Um, I don't know why you couldn't agree to 208 before you came over here, but that's fine.
No, I said I
Thank you
agreed.
very much. I'm not hearing a discussion, sir. That we should have had that as an agreement. That's pretty darn low. That's like a minimum wage worker. American $7 at McDonald's is what we're talking about here. I'm sure you're capable of making more than that. Medical support is $68 a month. If we've already credited 5,000, then I'm entering a judgment of $11,197 for back child support. I'm sure you weren't paying every month. I don't think the question was whether you paid some. We agree that you paid some, but consistently and in large amounts, it doesn't sound like that's what happened. So I'll enter that judgment payable at 106 per month, court cost bill to Mr. Mendoza. The Attorney General's office will draft an order and email y'all both a copy of the order. Y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
what's the verdict or what?
I just told you the verdict.
You
Thank
get
you.
cut off a little bit over here on this side.
Okay, you'll get a copy of the order, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Judge,
We're done, Mr. Mendoza.
I wanted
All right, we're ready on number 12. We have a full agreement on that case.